Hey, what's up, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this right now, you might be checking out this little application here called Premium Chat. And maybe you're wondering, can you really get paid to chat with your clients, fans, and followers, right? Is this legit? How much money can you really make, right? And is this worth your time? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally thousands of different ways to make money on the internet. Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, are a big waste of time. So let's find out how good Premium Chat is, and is this a really good way for you to make money, or are there better ways out there, right? Now, Premium Chat is actually a little software application that will allow you to charge people to chat with you. That's actually how it works, all right? So this is actually designed for people that already have a following. So if you're some sort of expert in any field, if you're an advisor, if you're a creator, if you're an influencer, if you're a model, if you're an entertainer, if you're a performer, if you're a coach, right? You're a counselor, if you have some sort of expertise and people are following you, then what you can do is you can use this as a portal for people to reach out to you, but actually charge them to speak to you, which is actually pretty cool. So essentially what it does is it's a chat monetization service for people that already can have customers that want to pay to speak to them. Okay, so for example, there's many ways you can do it. You can charge people per minute, for example, $1.99 per minute. You can charge people a flat rate like $3 for 60 minutes. You can charge people another flat rate, $25 for up to 15 minutes. You can chat with people directly through video, so it's like a video call, right, like a Zoom call, or it could just literally be chat, like texting. All right, so there's many different ways. So it's actually a pretty cool service. Now, the only thing about Premium Chat is that unfortunately, if you don't have a following, that means you're not someone that is an authority figure, right? If you're not an expert, you're not a coach, you're not a performer, you're not a counselor, you're not a consultant, and you don't really have a following base or a base of followers, then unfortunately this really won't make much sense to you, because you're going to have to build up that following first, have some sort of expertise before people will actually pay to chat with you, right? If you're not an expert and you don't really have anything to offer right now, you don't have a following, then people aren't just gonna, people won't be able to pay you to chat with you, because it's only for people that actually have a following. I hope that makes sense, all right? But stick around, because I will share with you a method, if you don't have a following, at the end of this video that you can use for yourself to monetize, all right? Now, this is how it works, right? So let's go to the earnings potential here, and essentially, for every minute, for every dollar that you charge somebody, all right, they will actually keep 40% roughly. Okay, so that's how much the fee is. It's pretty high, to be honest. A lot of these types of services generally would charge maybe 20-30% of a fee, so a 40% fee is quite high, all right? But they do take care of all the technology, all right? So essentially what you would do is you would sign up here, you would activate it. They would ask you to fill in all your details, they would ask you to fill in all your social media accounts, and then they'll give you a little link that you can use, and everything is web-based, which is pretty cool. So it works on a lot of different platforms. So you are basically getting a lot of the technology stuff out of the way, and Premium Chat will look after that, and you just have to share 40% with them, right? But there are many ways that you can do this. If you wanted to charge someone a flat rate, so for example, flat rate, right, of $200, for example, and for 200 bucks, it would be maybe a little bit longer, okay? Maybe 200 bucks might be like 45 minutes, okay? And then you can calculate it. Your profit right there is 120, because they keep 40% of that, roughly, okay? And then, this is just kind of like, if you have 5 chats per day at $200, you're gonna make $600 profit. This is for the week and this is for the month, that kind of thing, right? Now, you can charge rates this high once you actually have a customer base that really wants to talk to you, right? So, I have charged people $500 for an hour of coaching from me specifically, right? I didn't use Premium Chat, but these numbers are realistic when you actually have a base of followers that want your expertise, or they want a consultancy call, they want you to coach them on something specific, literally help them over the shoulder to get that one-on-one time with you. And this is pretty cool, all right? Pretty cool way. You just have to understand that if you are a coach or a trainer or expert, if you do any of the per minute ones, you do have to understand that you do have to spend quite a lot of time chatting with people. So it depends on how much time you want to spend chatting with people, but it could be a pretty cool way to actually monetize your base of followers. All right, so if you want to check out Premium Chat, it's just premium.chat. It's actually pretty cool, to be honest, but again, like I mentioned, you do need to be one of these types of people, right? An expert, an advisor, consultant, a creator, an influencer, an internet marketer, a coach, right? And then you can just use this to monetize your followers. All right, so if you want to check it out, premium.chat, pretty cool little service right here. Very, very nice feel, UX, UI as well to the actual website. All right, but if you are here watching this video and you're not someone who has an expertise yet, maybe you don't have a following, you don't have a big following, and you can't really monetize anybody currently, on this channel I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money on the internet. In fact, thousands of ways, right? All sorts of different websites, business models, courses, different strategies, and out of all of them, I found that there is one strategy where an absolute beginner, someone who has no skills, you've never done anything online, you have no followers, you have no email list, right? And you want to start generating income online. You can be based literally anywhere in the world. All you need is your phone or your computer and an internet connection. And I think it's the best strategy for a beginner to go from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month minimum, and you can grow from there depending on how much effort you want to put in. It's a great model. And if you want to check out my free masterclass that talks all about it, just click the link below and I'll send you that free masterclass for you to check out. All right, I hope you enjoy it. So I hope you enjoyed this review of Premium Chat. Pretty cool little platform right here, especially if you are one of these people right here, able to monetize your followers, which I think is pretty cool, right? Coach people, advise them. So if you want to check it out, premium.chat. Otherwise, check out the masterclass, and I hope to see you on another video review very, very soon. Take care.